Alright, here's a power supply, a safe power 500 watt power supply. At least that's what it said on the label. I doubt it really is that. Anyway, I looked it up, and I saw that other people were having issues. So I decided before I had any issues with it, I would prove it. So I attached extra heat sinks, added a fan controller, everything. But when I tried to turn it on afterwards, it sort of blew up. The problem spot was right down here in the filtering stage, but anyway, I'll show you how to, take care of these cheapies that you don't actually want to stick in your computer. Yeah, here goes. Not too bad.